Hey, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Today's date is 12/19/2019. I want to give you a quick update on the BX chart. BX. It broke out today of this big ascending triangle going from over here to over here. Or you could actually even draw it, say from here up. Nice ascending triangle. The T-line's above the red-green line. Price broke out above the T-line. Everything's looking pretty good here. As far as a stop goes, let's see. A stop under today's candle. If you wanted, for those that want to go a little deeper, just below the T-line would make a stop. As far as maybe looking at this chart moving higher, watch for a little consolidation. There we go. Let's watch for a little consolidation. Might make a good entry in there. Also, just early follow through would also be pretty good on this. All right, so let's keep an eye on BX going forward. Remember, we're moving into the holidays, so trading might get a little thin, volume might get a little thin. Happy holidays to everybody, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again. This was Rick at Hit and Run Candlesticks.